Karate. What's wrong with me? Okay. Pre-fall is here. And you know what came in? Brochu walker. Can I tell you? Can I tell you a secret? The best sweaters of the season arrive early in the season. Oh, well, this ain't the sweater. Hold on. This, hold on. Nobody go nowhere. 1 second. Let's open this first. So, Brochu walker. They're just luxury. Pure. How? Whoa. Okay, hold on. I don't know how. Whoa. Oh, hold on. This is a visual situation, everyone. It's visual. First of all, this color is everything. Can you say Brunello Cucinelli? I mean, seriously, man. So, this is an attached capelet kind of a thing. It can either be worn nonchalantly like a scarf, or bring it up and tie it and wear it as a scarf. I know some of you are saying it's 90 degrees out. Why would I want this? I don't know. It's beautiful. Now, I want you to pay attention to something that I have decided to do. Brochu has been doing pants for a long time, but I was hesitant to buy it. Why? Because I'm like, who wants to dress in a tailored pant with a casual aesthetic? Well, here you go. COVID hit and we have a more casual lifestyle. And this is the outfit. Seriously? If this said a Brunello Cucinelli, it would be $1,800. This whole outfit would have been, I don't know, 90 mortgage payment for a big house. But it's Brunello Cucinelli looking. The colors are neutral, beiges, earth tones, gorgeous. And look at this. This is their newest combination of shirt and sweaters. They have been doing this look, but this is the newest. It's a vest. Vests are trending. Please listen to me. There's a big trend vest happening. This is 2-for-1, 2-for-1. And continuing that whole casual, dressed up, neutral color looks. You're going back to work in September, this is how you're gonna dress. You're gonna dress in a casual but tailored look. I thought of that about 6 months ago when I bought this line. And finally, I love this color. Told you vests are trending. Wear this by itself. Wear it with a turtleneck underneath it with sleeves. Wear it with a men's shirt underneath it. Wear it with a silk shirt. And wear it with this pant. This pant will be your best friend. With a booty. I know it's a bit cropped. It's meant to be slightly cropped. Okay, how gorgeous is this? Brochu walker, pre-fall. If you're not in the mood for it, don't worry about it. But if you're in the mood for it, do come visit. Love ya.